We have this. We have to integrate this. What do we do? Very simple. Integrate this normally, then later you will make use of this. If you integrate 3x squared, what we are going to get is 3x raised by 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1. And that will give us what? 3x raised by 3 over 3. 3 will cancel out 3. I have x raised to the power of 3. Okay? Then I'll now put in those values. This will now give me, anywhere I see x, you write 2. I have 2 raised to the power of 3 minus, anywhere I see x again, you write minus 1. Minus 1 raised to the power of 3. 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8 minus 1 raised to the power of 3 is minus 1. So I have 8 minus times minus is plus. I have 8 plus 1, which is equals to 9. That's my final answer. 1, 2. I have this based on the limit of cos 3x over sin 7x as x tends to 0. In this case, if we substitute x equals to 0 in the denominator, you are going to get sin 0 will give me 0. That is 7 times 0 will give me 0. Then sin 0 will give me 0 at the denominator level. And you know that any number divided by 0 makes the expression undefined. So since we don't want this expression to be undefined, we now apply L'Hopital's rule. We differentiate the top and the down. We differentiate the top and the down to find the limit of this expression. Now, when we differentiate cos 3x, we are going to get minus 3 sine 3x. We differentiate sine 7x, you have 7 cos 7x. Then you substitute in the value of x, we now have minus 3 sine 3 into 0 over 7 cos 7 into 0. That will give you minus 3. What is sine 0? Sine 0 is 0. Then I have 7. What is cos 0? 7 times 0 is 0. So what is cos 0? Is 1. Minus 3 times 0 is 0. 7 times 1 is 7. 0 divided by 7 will give me what? 0. So the limit of this function is 0. 0 is the answer. Y equals to x squared sine x. We have to find y about the x. What you do here is this, very simple. You are going to apply product rule of differentiation. And this is what you do. You say the y about the x now. Give us, differentiate this one. Differentiate x squared. That will give me what? 2x. Then multiply it with this one. Keep this one constant. Sin x. Plus, differentiate sin x. What would that give us? Cos x. Then keep this one constant. X squared. So I have 2x sin x plus cos x times x squared will give me x squared cos x. This is my answer. You can factorize it if you want to. So this is my answer, but I want to factorize it. If I factorize it, what is common? X is common. So I write x into brackets 2 sine x plus x cos x. This is my final answer. It is factorized 4. We have this, the integral of 3x plus 4 dx within this interval. What do we do? Let's integrate it. This will give me 3x raised by 1 plus 1, that is 2 over 2 plus 4x. There, you now put in your these 2 and your 6. Anywhere I see x now, you put 6. So this will give me 3 into 6 squared over 2 plus 4 into 6. 4 into 6, that's the first. We have substituted anywhere I see x, you write 6. That's what we've gotten. Minus 3 into anywhere I see x now, you put 2. 2 squared over 2 plus 4 into anywhere I see x, you write 2. Now this will give me, what is 6 squared? 36. 36 divided by 2 will give me what? 18. 18 times 3 will give me what? 54. I have 54 at this side. And 4 times 6 is 24. Minus, what's 2 squared? 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2 times 3, that is give me 6, plus 4 times 2 is 8. So I have 54 plus 24, that is 78. Minus, what is 6 plus 8? 14. 78 minus 14, that will give me 64. So my final answer is 64. You have this y equals to x plus 1 over x minus 3. Find y over the x. What do we do? Very simple. We apply quotient rule of differentiation since it's a fraction. Our u now becomes 2x plus 1. Our v becomes x minus 3. Our u prime becomes, differentiate 2x plus 1. You have 2. Then v prime now, differentiate x minus 3, you have 1. My dy over dx now, quotient rule is v u prime minus u v prime all over v squared. That's a formula. You now substitute in these 4 things into this formula to get your answer. What's my v? X minus 3. What's my u prime? 2. Minus what's my u? 2x plus 1. What's my v prime? 1. What's my v? Is x minus 3. Then we square it. Use 2 to multiply that, we have 2x minus 6. Then use 1 to expand the bracket there. And then use the minus sign also. I have minus 2x minus 1. Minus 2x minus 1. Okay. So I have over x minus 3 squared. Collect like terms. 2x minus 2x, that gives me 0. Minus 6 minus 1, that gives me minus 7. Then x minus 3 squared. This is my final answer. We have this. Okay. Now how do we go about this? Very simple. We say x tends towards infinity. What we are going to do in a simple way is this. We look at the highest power of the unknown variable in the expression. The highest power is 2. Divide each term, both in the numerator and the denominator, by the highest power. So this is what I'll get. 20x squared over x squared plus 5 over x squared. Everything divided by 4x squared over x squared minus 7x over x squared plus 3 over x squared. This will cancel out this will cancel out this. I'm left with 20 plus 5 over x squared at the numerator. I'm left with 4 minus 7 over x plus 3 over x squared at the denominator. We now substitute this. You do that, you have 20 plus 5 over infinity squared. 5 over infinity squared is still 5 over infinity, and that is 0. Anything over infinity is 0, so that is 0. Over 4 minus 7 over infinity is 0. 3 over infinity is 0. So I have 20 plus 0 is 20. Yeah, divided by 4, which is 5. Question: y equals to 3x. Natural log of 3x, find y over the x. Okay, let us represent 3x with letter u. You say let u equals to 3x. And if u is 3x, y equals to the natural log of u. Differentiate u with respect to x. The u over the x now will give me 3. Differentiate y with respect to u. If you differentiate the natural log of u, you have 1 over u. Next thing is this. Apply chain rule. The y over the x now is the y over the u times the u over the x. The y over the u is 1 over u times the u over the x is 3. This will give me 3 over u And what is 3 over u? 3 over, what's u? 3x. 3 in itself is 1 on top, 3 in itself is 1. So I have 1 on top over x beneath. That is my final answer. We have this question, h of x equals to x raised by 4 minus 12x plus 7, and we are asked to differentiate h of x at the point where x equals to 2. What do? We say solution h of x equals to x raised by 4 minus 12x plus 7 d over dx of h of x. Differentiate that, that's 4x raised by 3 minus differentiate 12x, that is 12. Substitute the value of x. We have 4 into 2 because x is 2. 2 raised by 3 minus 12. This will give me 4. 2 raised by 3 is 8 minus 12. Now 4 times 8 is 32 minus 12. And 32 minus 12 is what? 20. So the final answer is 20. Thank you.